Do you see Justin?
Yes.
Where's Justin?
Right here.
Right here? Is he right here or right there?
No. A work. This is all work.
It's a big truck. Did we watch baseball today?
Yeah.
What did you see?
Nothing, right?
Yeah.
Nothing.
Yeah.
Or nothing. Go home.
Then we went home, sure. Did we go to the park?
No.
Yeah, we did.
No. Eat.
We did.
Judges.
What do you see?
Friend. Right?
Right? No. Do you see Dodgers?
No, she touches. She doesn't. She doesn't. She doesn't.
I think you see Dodgers.
She doesn't. Does she doesn't? She just sleepy.
All right, I'll try to find.
She doesn't. She doesn't. She doesn't. She doesn't.
You see Justin? I don't see Justin. I see Dodgers.
I see this. Mommy.
Yes? What do you see, Gov? What do you see?
She does. No.
Are the Dodgers your favorite team? Or do you like the Yankees?
Cookies.
You like the Yankees? Daddy likes the Yankees.
Gabby. Like. Gabby. Is she Yankees?
Yeah.
Gabby Yankees.
You got me Yankees?
Sit down.
Sit down, okay.
Gabby, sit down.
Are you sitting watching some TV?
Mom. Daddy.
Yeah.
Yet.
Do you want to sing us Moon Shadow?
Marcella.
I'm being followed by a...
Mommy Marcella. Mommy Marcella.
Mommy singing Moon Shadow? I'm being followed by a...
Shadow.
Marcella.
Moon
Shadow.
Leaping and hopping on a moon shadow.
Where's Mommy? I don't see Mommy. There she is. Christopher's daddy?
Gabby fry, Gabby.
Is that Arissa's daddy?
Am I Arissa's daddy?
Gabby daddy.
I'm Gabby's daddy. I'm Gabrielle's daddy. Oh, what a good hug.